How to hard reset Galaxy A17 4G.
Step 1. Start by holding down the volume down together with the power key for several seconds to completely shut off your gadget.
Step 2. Next, press and maintain the volume up along with the power button simultaneously, and while keeping them pressed, link your device to a computer using a USB cable.
Step 3. Once the recovery mode emblem appears on screen, release all the buttons immediately.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Open the link in the description to finish the hard reset process.